Welcome to another video on the channel. In this video, I will be changing the light bulbs for the headlights because I have one side not lighting up on the Porsche Cayenne. Based on my research, it might not be the light bulb, it might be the ballast. I also decided to make a video of it in case it's helpful for somebody else. To remove the headlights, you should have a tool in the back. I didn't, so I used the 6mm tool with a wrench and just turned it slowly and gently. Each headlight has its own screw on the right and on the left. If you have all the trims in the engine, you just remove the caps and you should be able to see it straight down. In my case, there is no trims, which makes it a little bit harder because there's a few options there. Once you look in that corner, it is this specific one here. It will just pop it out and then you slide it out. After that, you just need to disconnect it. The back cap of the headlight comes off easily so you can get access to the light bulbs. That is the easiest part of this. The harder thing, I believe, is putting it back. Putting it back feels quite trickier, but it's quite easy. Make sure the metal hinge on the bottom is facing down, and when sliding it in, if you have loose cables for the headlight, like on this car, make sure it doesn't block it from going all the way in. You have to make sure it sits on the rails to slide in the right spot, because it won't lock into place when you start turning the screw. I repeat the process for the other headlight, removing it, changing the bulb, and just plugging it in to test. For me, it didn't work. Flash would work, other beam levels were fine, so it was probably the ballast. I also have a second pair of headlights that the previous owner gave us. So I took from the spare headlight the ballast and tested it, meaning that the last step was to lock it back into place. It's an easy DIY fix. You just need to be careful when locking into place. Don't put too much force so you don't break the mechanism that locks them into place. If it's not locking correctly, it's probably not in the right position. Sometimes you can check from the corners just before you put it fully in to see if it's aligned. That's it for the video featuring the Cayenne. I hope it was helpful if you're trying to do the same thing. And if you'd like the video, subscribe for more.